In today's video, let's talk about how to use the Bank of America Small Business app. Now for small businesses, Bank of America does not have a separate application because all of the features that is available for small businesses or businesses is available on the Bank of America mobile app. So make sure that you log into your account using your credentials, and if you already have your account, you can simply log into your account or add your business account within Bank of America. So within the account setting on the mobile application, you'll be able to view the profile switcher or the profile toggler, which you can toggle between different accounts that you have within Bank of America. Now the benefits that you get with this is you'll be able to monitor your financial health via a tool called the Cash Flow Monitor. So within the dashboard of your business account, you'll be able to track your trends as well as project the trajectories. Secondly, like other accounts as well, you'll be able to send and receive business payment via your Zelle for Business, which is available on the Pay and Transfer section, as well as you'll be able to administer or provide the employee cards and the payrolls as well. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.